Clearing your search history on Vrbo can help enhance your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these steps to effectively remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website or open the Vrbo app and log into your account using your credentials. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Find privacy settings. Within the account settings menu, look for a section labeled Privacy or Data Management. This is where you will find options related to your search history. Step 4. Clear search history. In the privacy settings, locate the option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option and confirm any prompts that may appear to ensure your search history is removed. Step 5. Log out and refresh. After clearing your search history, log out of your account and then log back in. This will refresh your account and ensure that the changes take effect. By following these steps, you can successfully clear your search history on Vrbo. Regularly managing your privacy settings can help you maintain a better online experience.